I'm almost 100% sure you've never seen this much money in a Phantom wallet before. That's because for the past couple of weeks I've been printing money out of thin air with meme coins, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, so make sure you stick with me till the end of the video. Bro, just look at all the coins on memescope at the moment. If I open this coin, bro, what? It just got rugged. Just look at the chart. A couple minutes ago the dev rug pulled the shit out of this coin. Let me open this one. Oh my god, bro, the same thing. This one. This is actually insane. It went to complete zero. Because here is a hard truth that no one is telling you about. Creating and launching your own coins beats trading them. Because by creating and launching your own coins yourself, you have nothing to lose. All you have to do is launch your meme coin, and when it gets a bunch of buyers, you simply just remove the liquidity and you get away with thousands of dollars. And do you know what's even better? You can do it over and over again, and that is exactly how I've been printing thousands of dollars just by doing this method. But of course, this is all for educational purposes only, to show you how all of this shit works. Obviously, do not copy me, but if you're really broke and you want the money, well, just go ahead and do it. But anyways, now it's time to stop yapping and to head straight to the point. So to launch your coin, you'll want to come to launchtoken.Fun. Here on this exact website, you will be able to launch and create your coin and then make thousands. So for example, if Elon Musk or Trump tweeted, or if something like a meme went viral, well, you could come here and put the token name, token symbol, and token image, and then make your coin manually. Then you can launch it and make thousands. But if you are lazy like me and you want to make some money with no marketing required, you can actually come to the copy coins feature right here, the third tab, and you can duplicate and replicate any coin that pops up here, because all the coins that are filtered on this section right here, they all have a good narrative and they're all proven to get buyers because they're all pumping and trending. And the reason why launchtoken.Fun is a website to make your coins on is because this website allows you to launch your coins on the Radium DEX. And if y'all didn't know, Radium is 100 times better than Pump.Fun, because nowadays Pump.Fun is too saturated and too many coins are being created by the second. So you want to make your coins on Radium if you want to maximize your profits and get that higher market cap. I can even prove that to y'all. So if I come to my Photon and I go on trending and I go on the Pump.Fun DEX, just look at the horrible market cap, 7k, 4k, 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 okay? And if I go on Radium, this is actually bonkers. 9 million, 200,000, 6 million, 1.5 million, 400,000, 60,000. You have to be making your coins on Radium, specifically on launchtoken.Fun, if you want to make some money. So coming back right here, okay, I am going to duplicate this coin right here that caught my attention. It's called Key. It has 80 replies, which is absolutely insane, and it has a $20,000 market cap. So I'm going to create coin. After that, I'm going to go inside my Phantom. A warning will pop up, but this is completely normal. Just proceed anyway. Confirm, I understand, confirm, and then your coin will be created shortly. Okay, boom, it popped up. Now copy a token address and click on create liquidity pool. Now here you want to select your coin. After that, select your Solana balance, and after that, the amount token A right here is actually the amount of liquidity that you're giving out to the public. I like to give out 900 million. That's because I like to keep 10% of the supply in my wallet. So for example, I can sell a bit when it goes up and I can just profit like that. And after that, remove the liquidity later down the line. So this number right here is up to you. You can just put max if you want and then remove the liquidity, or you can put 900 million. That's all up to you. And after that, the amount token B right here is actually the amount of liquidity that you're buying in with your own money. You are not losing this money since you'll be the first buyer inside your coin, so this is completely safe. The money will come back to you after you remove the liquidity. You can put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 Solana. I like to put 0.5 Solana because that is what I'm comfortable with. Then you can do create pool. After that, a pop-up will come. Yes. Now do confirm. After that, click on refresh. And boom, now your coin is live. You're already $20 in profit. Let's fucking go now. Click on view on Photon. And now your coin is live. Let's go. Okay, so we just got the $13 buy. Oh crap, it's dipping a lot. Oh my god. Yo. Oh my god, it shot up. It shot up. Okay, so if you want to check your profit, you can come back to launchtoken.Fun and click on refresh. Okay. Oh my god, it's shooting up again. And again. It's just shooting up. Oh shit, now it's going down. Okay, bro. This could be a good opportunity to remove the liquidity, but I'm gonna wait a bit. Oh, it's dipping. Not bad. Okay, now it's pumping a lot. Okay, now it might be a good time to remove the liquidity, so come back to launchtoken.Fun. It's pumping a lot. Click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, why is it's unloading? Confirm. And boom! We just remove the liquidity, and that's exactly how you profit money out of thin fucking air, bro. You can make so much money, it's actually insane. And then after that, if we check the chart, as you can see, it went to complete zero. And yeah, oh yeah, and also I forgot, if I open my Phantom wallet, as you can see, $500 is inside my Phantom wallet,